Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku charts.com daily analysis for Euro US dollar FX futures for Wednesday, January 30th, 2013. Well, a continuation of the trend to the upside today and a very strong continuation of that trend. The market has traded substantially higher than the previous day's trading and has taken out some very important levels. Yesterday I highlighted the 135 level as being an important area of resistance, and once we had that strong bullish trading up above the 135 area, the market was destined to test up to the 135.50 level and meet the target that we had set with the breakout from the symmetrical triangle. That target was met today, and there was enough bullishness in this market to also take out the 135.50 level of resistance in a fairly bullish manner as well. A very large white body candle, and it's been some time since we've seen a body of that size, other than a few trading periods ago, but a substantial amount of net bullish progress made by the buyers, and it does suggest that this market may be destined for higher levels, although it wouldn't surprise to see the market take a bit of a rest, but it doesn't seem as though we will have any substantial retracement because of the amount of solid bullishness in this market. We have had the buyers close with strong control of this market, closing up towards the high, and they have shown some decent commitment to take out the 135 and the 135.50 levels of important resistance. Having said that, however, we did see the market interact with the 136 level, and we have seen a shadow on the top of this candle representing downside price rejection, and we have seen a small loss of commitment by the buyers up around that 136 level. And that could be important. That could be a clue that the market will have some trouble taking out the 136 level over the next day or two, and does suggest that we may see the market have a bit of a rest around this level, and perhaps even retrace back to the 135.50 level or to the 135 level. Now, we do have very solid resistance overhead extending all the way from 136 up to 138, and previously there was some very strong support shown in this area, and that now has the potential to translate itself as resistance to this market. So the market may do a tough trading up through that level, but where any resistance comes in is really not certain to say, but anywhere within the zone extending up to 138. Now, if this market does have enough bullishness to trade up through that level, and it certainly may have, then we could see the market trading up to 138 over the next week or two. But at the moment, 136 is a crucial level to this market for tomorrow's trading. Now, in terms of Ichimoku, we're examining the relationship of the first time frame uptrend to the previous time the market was trending up. And here yesterday we saw the market halt at the 161.8% level. We had a bullish candle. There weren't any signs of weakness in this market, and today we've seen the buyers continue with that upside momentum, that they had to take out the 161.8% in a bullish manner. And now our next target with the Fibonacci extension is the 261.8% at 136.40, so that's above that crucial 136 level. In terms of the Fibonacci retracement, previous day's trading, we had that bullish breakout up above the 161.8% level. It did suggest that there was potential for the market to trade higher, and we've seen that today. The next level is the 261.8% at 136.22, coinciding roughly with the 136.40 level. Pretty rough, but up there within its zone. So we do have some strong resistance above that 136 level based on these Fibonacci ratios from 136.20 up to about 136.40. Now, in terms of Ichimoku, obviously a very bullish market in all three time frames. The market's trading above the cloud, so bullish in the long-term time frame, trading above the Kijun Sen, so bullish in the medium-term time frame, and above the Tenkan Sen, so we're bullish in the fast-term time frame. The Kijun Sen looks to be pointing flat, but we can't go by that. That's actually reflecting this incomplete trading that we're seeing at the moment, so we don't have a flat Kijun Sen or Tenkan Sen. What we actually have is the Kijun Sen and the Tenkan Sen pointing up very sharply, reflecting this very solid upside momentum in this market. And if we look at the Tenkan Sen here, if this market does come off, and I doubt very much that the market will trade through the 135 level, if it does, that the Tenkan Sen will be the first level of very strong support for this market at 134. 130 other than that 135 level, so a very important level there. So a bullish market in all three time frames. The buyers are still firmly in control. Some small doubt about the resistance around the 136 level, whether it will hold. There is potential for it to hold and the market to come off, but if we see continued bullishness in this market early and bullishness above the 136 level, we have the Fibonacci ratios around the 136.20 and the 136.40 levels that may hold, but this market may find resistance anywhere up to the 138 level.